Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting devices ready and turning mirroring on the TV. Enable the TV's mirroring protocol, Miracast, AirPlay, or Chromecast, so it can accept a connection. Once done, connect your phone or laptop to the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure it's the 5 GHz band if available, because that reduces lag. Now open your device's display settings or quick actions and look for Screencast, AirPlay, or wireless display. Tap to begin the discovery process and wait for the TV. You now make the actual connection from your phone, tablet, or laptop. Go to Settings, right arrow, display right arrow cast, or use the quick panel. On Apple devices, open Control Center and tap AirPlay. Once you select the TV, accept any prompt shown on the TV and enter a PIN if it appears. After connection, check display resolution and set audio output to the TV in your device's sound settings so video and sound stay synced. If needed, pause and resume to stabilize the stream. You finish by confirming playback and trimming latency. Play a short video and check for audio sync. If the image is cropped, switch the app or rotate your device to match the TV's aspect ratio. When done, end mirroring from the device or select a different TV input. If things go wrong, no discovery, choppy video, or no sound, reboot the router, the TV, and your device, then update firmware and OS. This 3-step reboot resolves most problems. After that, repair and test again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.